Over the weekend, the MTA installed platform edge barriers at the 191st Street station in Manhattan on the 1 train. This is the first of 3 stations to receive the barriers as a part of the MTA's pilot program. Along the platform, there are multiple barriers, which have openings at the locations at which the train doors will open. While these are no platform screen doors, they do provide somewhat of a barrier between the platform and train, which will no doubt prevent some, but not all, accidents from happening. The other 2 stations set to receive the barriers are West 8th Street in Brooklyn on the F and G trains, and Clark Street, also in Brooklyn on the 2 and 3 trains. My main question about these platform barriers is how the MTA will implement them at stations that see trains with multiple different door positions. For example, R160s sometimes run on the Q train, and those have different door positions than the R46 and 68s that normally run on the line. The same can be said for the 2 train, which normally runs R142s. However, Clark Street is served by both the 2 and 3, and the 3 uses R62s, which have different door positions. I guess we'll have to wait and see how the MTA overcomes this issue. In the comments section below, tell me your thoughts on these platform edge barriers. I think it's a step in the right direction and a possible solution to station platforms that have tight clearances. If you enjoyed this video and you would like to get more from Mystic Transit, like, subscribe, and consider supporting me via channel memberships or super thanks. Special thanks to Damien's Transit and Health Bar videos for supporting me at the train operator tier.